What's going on, you guys? This is my 2020 Ram 4x4 Laramie. It's the 5.7 liter Hemi, and I just put in some running boards, so I'm gonna go over how to do that, and maybe on another video I'll go over the interior. Very nice, but I'm going to get to that. Alright, you guys, I'm on driver's side right now, and those are the first two brackets. These ones are very easy to do, and for my make and model of my car, my truck, I'd already have the 3 studs coming out, so that was no problem. I just put the bracket upon it, and basically for this install, I did everything, installed the first two, I didn't tighten anything down, and then I installed the nerf board, and I didn't tighten that down anyway until I got everything lined up and where I wanted it. Now the challenge was the rear one, the rear bracket. Now for this, we had to take off the body mount, and I did rethread it. I took that off with a, what are we looking at here? A 13th, 16th deep socket. It's right up in there. Take it off, and then you're gonna put this bracket to meet up with this one. And this one right here, you had to remove one of these stickers to expose the hole. And it came with the whole, it came with the little kit, had everything you needed. And you just inserted this right here, the bolt, so you can put the nut on it and attach the bracket. Now there was one modification I had to do, which was this little guy right here. That was a 1/4 inch hole I had to put into the pitch weld. So what you're gonna do for this, you're first gonna get your original bracket, your long one, and the sides do matter, the driver and the passenger, because it has to meet up right here. We have a curve going to 90 all the way straight down to meet up with this flush to the back. So I put my bracket up right here and let it hang off of this bolt. Of course, I put the nut on it, and for this one it's got a washer, a lock washer, and then the nut. All the other ones just have the regular washers. So I let the bracket hang, and then I took off my body mount, pulled that out, I attached the bracket, and I put some thread lock on the bolt again, and I rethreaded. I didn't tighten it all the way until I lined this up right here. Now this right here, I believe, is a 13 mil. Nope. This right here, well, this one right here is a 5/8 standard. It's a 5/8. This one right here, I'm not sure. I thought it was a 13. Yeah, it's a 13. So 5/8, 13 millimeter. You have one on the back as well. 2 washers, one on every side. So I let that hang. I attached this. I didn't tighten it yet. Now as far as the hole, when I let this hang, I lined it up, so it's sure to get a nice fit right there where I can do my 1/4 inch hole inside my pitch weld. When I did my pitch weld, I attached this. Everything was loose, and then when it got out to where I wanted it, I went ahead and tightened everything up. And it's a very nice nerf boards. Great, very sturdy, and like I said, the first two were very easy to do. It's just, you know, put them in, put your 3 nuts on it, attach your nerf board, you're good to go. So it was just this right here that kind of threw me for a little bit of a loop, and it's not going to attach to your 3 bolts that come out right here. Like I said, you got to go through the back, take off the little sticker to expose the hole, put in your bolt, take off your body mount, let that hang, and everything was loosely, and I just tightened everything up as soon as I got it to where I wanted it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, let me know, and good luck.